mind to just day. I tell you.
Mom, the one I want to the one I want to tie up a new low. Best night, them. Flying bullet, Japa. He tear best and wapu quay. The one way I can join Jinaka, Lelen Gobra. Lelen Gobra, Kelequan Chineko. Kelequan Chineko, Lequan aha mam jiji aha man jide chikoda best no ten she won tele ngo ono ko ono kwo nga aka ono kwa nga aka best na ano kwo ka best na ano kwa mgbo gbapuo yo lekwe ngo oshi gbapuo best lekwe ni yo lekwe mgbo ya ka jo etochi nako lekwe ni yo kelekwa ni Chineke ti na na ekporo amadikwa tai na emechi no wa ya eme.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello fans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 16th of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you from the stables of Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, you can see that it is still happening in Imo State. This thing they go on in different cities in Imo State. Umuaka, Okigwe, Arondizogo, Omonolo, also, and some other places, even Owerri in Imo State. These things are just going on simultaneously in Imo State. So guys, but the particular heat at the moment is Umuaka. Umuaka is very hot at the moment. You can see how the Musa guys are just shooting directly to, will I say, unseen people or what? They are just shooting randomly. And you can see how stray bullets are just flying anyhow in Umuaka and some other places. Imagine how God saved this woman and her family. Who knows who that bullet would have hit, and the person would have been seriously injured or if not dead by now. But thank God that the bullet just hit a basin and subsidized its power immediately. Thank God for that. But this video is to educate people and to let them know what is still going on in Imo State and some places in Imo State, because the Musa and Asari guys sworn to capture the Biafran Liberation Army.
Jesus.
Very dark man has once again called for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Imagine a very notorious kidnapper in the northern part has been released, or not even released, has the in fact a kind of peace deal. They now made a peace deal. Imagine negotiating with a terrorist, a kind of peace deal. Nobody's going to arrest him and he's not going to buy anybody again. They just made it as a peace deal. But if it is here in Biafran land, they will say kill the person, buy the person, buy the person, buy the person, buy his family, burn down his buildings. I don't just really know why this law is different once it has to do with an Igbo person or once it has to do with a Biafran. The law will now have another shape. But if it is a northerner, you will see how they will twist and bend the law to favor those people. That's why all this criminality is thriving in that side very well, because at the end of the whole thing, the airlights will cover that person up. The airlights will back that person. How many of all these kidnappers there? How many of all these bandits there? How many of all these Boko Haram and so on of them? How many of them are going to jail or going to prison? None. At the end, if being captured alive, if the person is not turned into, if they did not turn the person into a Nigerian military, they will just pardon the person to go like that. But if it is down here in the Biafran land, they will be looking for a Biafran soldier, Biafran fighter to buy him. Even if they capture you, only God will determine if you will be sent to a tiger base or to prison. If not, or more, not buy straight to you.
All right, so the news says, Justin, Nigeria's wanted bandit kingpin accepts peace deal in Katsina. A notorious bandit leader, Ishaya Kwashem Garwa, who was declared wanted by the defense headquarters, was among the top bandits who reportedly accept a peace deal in Katsina State. If you want to know how crazy this news is, first of all, go and check the dictionary or use your phone to Google peace deal. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have failed this country. That in your government, you are making peace with terrorists that goes into different villages, commit atrocities, buy people, carry women, do forceful entry on them, buy them, breed, they go to breed children, they get baby factory. All these women go born, they'll keep the children, use them as, they'll put them inside their terrorist army. This country is pretty much surrounded. And instead of you to catch one, use one to make example to scare these people away, what are you doing? You give him a peace deal. What do you think will happen when you start giving them peace deal? Because this is not the first time. You give him peace deal tomorrow. Do you know what you're encouraging? You're going to encourage the next set of people to also go into terrorism because they know, say, oh yes, this government is weak. Do you know what a peace deal means? It means say, when I don't fight them, when I don't fear, when I don't chicken out. It means say, when I don't chicken out, bro. We which day? Governor of Zamfara State, come out. Talk say, ain't nowhere all these bandits, all these terrorists dey. But federal government need to do something first. It was indirectly saying, I am lost. They are buying my people. I need help. Because these people have some form of people that is protecting them from the higher places. Bro, Nigeria is doomed. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't fail. It's like you have failed us when it comes to security. On all levels. What am I talking about security? Which one is security? They know the sugarcoat them. On all levels. On all levels. This is the height of it. I beg, when are people giving Nnamdi Kanu a peace deal? Because I mean, up till now, I don't even know what he did. But I just know, say, when I put him. No, I won't say I don't know what the problem is. You say, okay, treasonable offense. It was encouraging crime. It was encouraging terrorism and all. Person where they encourage, different from who buy. This one where buy, they give him a peace deal. But the one where you claim, say, he do treasonable offense. You don't give him a peace deal. So why is the man there? What's really going on in Nigeria, bro? That terrorists are being encouraged with a peace deal? So meaning say tomorrow now Bello Truji, for all the atrocities where Bello Truji they cause. Bello Truji, as we speak now, he gets soldiers for bush. These people don't take over the north. They terrorize the full north. They'll go into different villages, pack women, go. The northerners are suffering in the hands of these people. They don't have peace. So tomorrow now you give him a peace deal? Because I already heard that I don't send one imam go inside bush, may go follow Bello Truji talk. So in all of this, you give them a peace deal. So how about the justice for the people that their rights were stepped on? How about the people where they don't buy? How about all of this? So all these people will just go like that, no justice for them. And at this kind of country, when I see get mind, they encourage people, may they live in. I am somebody that has so much hope in Nigeria, but the way where they go, so I'll soon be part of the people that will advise you that if you have an opportunity, leave the country. Because this country, every day it keeps failing. Every day by day, Nigeria, they fail. Which part of Nigeria? The only place where really they safe now for Nigeria, now Abuja and Lagos. There's no parts where all these guys never invade. There's no parts where they never invade. Benue, nothing happened. They see the buy for Benue. Just still on still. Guess what? More wait, mark this video. Mark today's date. December time, they go knock people for Jos. Because that's around that kind of time that they attack. They'll chop people for Jos. They go knock people for Jos. A lot of states around that period, that festive period, they will declare people. And in all of this, if you catch person, you go give them a peace deal. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you have failed. You have failed. And to be very honest, if you still continue as president for this country in 2027, then I don't know. I said I wasn't going to talk about politics, but bro, it only reach like this. For how long are we going to continue like this? For how long? For how long? It's almost as if even him, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it be like even himself they fear. It be like saying himself they tired because he can't talk. They'll come, they'll tell her, Nigeria is no longer owing the IMF, but you are owing other people. You are robbing Peter to give Paul. That's what you people are doing, robbing Peter to give Paul. You are still owing. You are all in debt. You are in debt. People are putting money every day. When I clear one home off for the other side. But let's come back to insecurity. As I talk like this, I think just the go now me they kidnap me. Yes. Don't go find me. Next one I'll just see the story. That's how crazy it is. They got their pause. This country, the way they go, now all of us go learn and we go learn the hard way. Don't play.
The release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to stop a lot of things in the Biafra land. That is when we will know actually who is for Biafran and who is against Biafra. It is only the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that will expose all these things. But it's like they know what they are doing, and that's why they have refused to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There is trouble in the camp of Ada Diorama. Ada Diorama and her fans are now quarreling over one particular pastor. It's like she said that the pastor duped her by giving her a fake prophecy that they have to pay up to $30,000 or thereabouts. A very big confusion is going on in the camp of Ada Diorama. Listen to her and her confession.
And the money in evil, because now money in evil, but when I'm evil, man on this mess in no. Because no but to be no born on a mess. When I'm evil, I'm my isn't 9 man on any way. And now we are one year away. I'm a baby carrying or kita, but they say none of my condition. Everyone I'm maganina was. No one is so good, Diano. It's Namunga will away great woman, the whole world, the Wanina Yamo, Macanazo, the Kumakanes, Kulumanas, Polomo. And I'm on no catching, no catching, no if you follow. Mona Carolina and Bez, I and I if I catch you. I even an I now. Go on, when good season and Janos, no catching on the general social media party. Everyone I'm walk.
Okay.
Nah,
Thank God that I began myself. Which you tell it.
Welcome wages now. Buy. Oh, answer Mamma Onye or teacher. I want to mask and I'm not gonna be
your first statement. Now,
Manibi some Namuma go Fuma is Namma go for my second Nama
because you know me very well. Okay, Mamma, my good
hey.
I'm not even
oh,
yeah.
So, on that age now, one in age of Bedibia, I would call on Jebedibia Keta. I'm one of Dibia Hoffman. I can all buy them from a well Malonia Hoffman. But Carolina and Bez, Colum, Wesson, that's a man of God. Imo Cono, Carolina and Bez, won't you connect that take Bella? Carolina and Bez, is that now pastor, coming and walk or Tibasi, baby. Manaka Malana before Quete Yawibe, or take with the time. Who was what Carolina Guarana can quit? I'm even a Carolina jig the way with it. Eh, what about my way is you? I have a Quadiva in a Quebec or you also.
For 100 men.
Because don't know comment section my mepelo no why did you join because me because Okwen Kaiku Okweloka
don't say that now.
Because now Anna was in Anna made a point even megasreno njụọ gị
Kedu point
ajụjụ
ị na-eje? Sị gị na point ị na-eje na-asị ka ọ bụ.
nke ka o si were asị njụọ gị sị gị na o nwere nwaanyị ise ndili meseji ka unu
Ọzọ Igbo, biko unu ewe n'iwe ka njigoro Obinna ofe ajụjụ.
Ọ dịghị anụ ihe.
nna
Obinna.
chere ka mkpọ data woman na fon na ka ọ bata
Obinna,
Kpọọ ya.
Obinna ọkwa na ụmụaja na ka unu na-ekpesara unu gwara ụmụaja na ihe ụmụaja na Igbo. Obinna biko ka njụọ gị ajụjụ iwe n'iwe. O nweghị ihe na-ese ego na ọjụjụ maka njụọ gị ajụjụ. Ọ njụọ gị nwanne m ọkwa onye Igbo ka ebu
Go ahead.
ọkwa onye Igbo ka ewu nwanne m kwa iwe ezigbo nwa aja na Igbo.
Onye Igbo ka m bụ, yes.
Ala ekele m nwanne m ka ọ dị kwa alụ dị gịrị. Ihe ị bịara kịta ị bịara na ịmụ ihe bụ ụmụaja na ị bịara egwu ụmụaja na edu plen na aka gị kwụ ọtọ ọkwa ya na ịchọ 100 men ọkwa ya and ịma onye ahụ gwara gị ịma na ị nwere nne na nna jụọ ihe bụ ụmụaja. Onye ka m ji chọọ ijugodo ịmagodo ihe bụ ụmụaja.
na-achọ nke ịbata na dis program biko nwere ike ịbata na program a bikos na nwere ife anyị na-ekwu ebe a ewekwo n'iwe
nwanne m festi ajụ nna ajụ gị ọkwa ịmụ ihe bụ ụmụaja.
nwanne m nwoke chelegodi bikos eji that person a nara $10,000 mụ na ya nọ na fon na nne m biko ị nwere ike ịgwa biko na ike ikwu ka dat siri mee ọ dị possible biko ewekwo n'iwe a sịra na mkpọrọ gị mana achọrọ m ikiri asọmpi hie na ka ama na ọmụnwa biko nwere ike ikwu ka o si mee jọs ịkọrọ Biafra ka dat si mee ka o si wee bido biko ọ dị possible. Achọrọ m ka ị pụta jọs ikwu okwu na dis phone a mụ na gị na-akpọ ji wee kwu ọ dị possible akpọ n'afa gị.
Ya gụọrụ gị meseji sendịrị ya. Ya gụọrụ meseji sendị ya because isi na ọ sịrị gị na m kpọrọ na m sendị meseji okwu $10,000.
Hello? Ọ dị possible?
Ọ bụrụ na ọma nke ya ka m gụọrụ meseji sendị
Ọ dị
ya.
possible? Ọ dị possible? Ngwa Chike, ọ bụrụ na ọ dị possible kpaghachi m azụ na mma ala ike wọk ọnya maazị Obinna godo that meseji ise na ya
Esendịgoro gị ya gụọ ya gwara aka gị gụọ ya.
eje m skuulu a gwara ngara m eje ha akwụkwọ amaghị m agụ.
Ngwa send ya any of your person ebe a ka ọ gụọ ya.
Okay.
Ya nwaji aka Obinna ịmaghị isendị na meseji gụọ na ya nụnụ nwanne m.
Amasịrị m ka o si sende meseji.
Brother unu gụọ ya because unu mụ abịakwutere unu.
Obinna
My brother Obinna, biko ị na-ekwu ịdapụtara anyị ị na-ekwu ihe a ọ isi na ịbụ servant of God and this particular platform ụmụaja na-ejikọtara everybody emeghị onye ọ bụ iche tụa nnọkịta emaghị onye mba amaghị onye Igbo. This platform for general onweghị ndị special enweghị ndị Fulani igwe so ị na-ekwu okwu ịdapụtara anyị ọ bụghị ịdapụtara Biafra for everybody. Mmanụ nwanne ba ihe na-akpati nwere onwe Biafra ụmụ Biafra.
I like him okwu gị dị mma.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jix TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. Please share this video. We all love you. Let there be peace in Biafran land. Bye.